Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back with me sama Isyam. Okay, in this video, I will teach you about NAT, Network Address Translation. Okay, first we go to the understanding first. Let's go. Understanding of NAT or Network Address Translation. NAT or Network Address Translation is way to manage private and public IPs. Private IP and public IP, where the main function of this NAT to change the private IP on a LAN into a public IP, so that the LAN can access the internet. NAT works on router and firewall device, which must have a public IP and a private IP. Device must have a public IP and private IP. Later, if the private IP wants to go to the internet, the router will change the private IP to the public IP that he has. On Cisco router, there are two NATs. The first one is static NAT. Okay, static NAT is that is manually configured. By the way, we determine which private IP we want to change to the public IP that the router has. However, the disadvantage of static NAT is that we can only use one public IP for one private IP. Public for one private IP only. The second is dynamic NAT. Dynamic NAT is NAT whose translation process is carried out automatically by the router. We can only need to list the public IPs that the router has to be used by its private IP. Used by its private IP, and in dynamic NAT, we can use one public for many private IPs with the overload technique. Okay, now we go to interface NAT. In, there is two interface NAT. Interface NAT. Inside interface and outside interface. The first one, inside interface, is interface that leads to the local network, which contains the private IP address before being translated. And the second is outside interface. Outside interface is that leads to public. Out of here, the private IP address will be translated to public IP. You can look at this picture, the inside interface and the outside interface. Okay, now we go to the lab, static NAT. First one is Open Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, wait. Then we'll use two routers, one server, then one one switch, then three client. This let's connect all devices. Okay, we connect all device. Okay, wait guys. Okay, give all device, and then here for client we will use IP 192.168 and network 10 See, okay, give note, give a little note for make it as easier. And the glass. And then what glass this? What? Okay. Okay. Later, the goals of this lab is later on PC0 can ping to server, but PC1 and PC2 cannot because we not registration the IP in router. So later we will change this IP PC1 to 10 or 10 or 10 by 10. And later on we will change this IP PC to this. Okay, now we give all device IP first. Okay, and open configure terminal interface A0/1, mouse up down, IP address, IP address 2020.1/24, and then go to interface FA0/0 and one shutdown, IP address 10.10.10.2/24, and now give the server IP. Nice. Nice 24. Also default gateway 20.1. Okay. Let's go to it. Okay. We will give IP address for client with using DHCP. Okay. Let's interface FA050. The address 10.10.1. Sequence by zero, and then F1 IP address 168.10.1, and then /24. Let's give IP for client. Okay, network. And then default router, and then DNS server, put IP server. I need to exit. Let's go to yeah, already get. Okay, all client already get the IP. So now let's make NAT configure static NAT configuration. IP NAT, NAT. There is inside, there is outside, and there is pool. But now we'll use inside first. IP NAT inside, source, and then now this, and then there is static. Now we will learn static. IP NAT inside source static, then put the IP address PC0, 0, 192, 168, and then 10.2. And then after that, put the 10.10.10.10. This the IP public. Okay? If already make if already make the what the name configuration IP not static, so let's we'll make this IP not IP not outside for can go to server. Okay, so if you want make IP not outside, you use interface FA0/0. But if you want to use inside, so use FA0/1. So just go to interface. Oh, yes, interface FA0/0 IP not okay. Because we use interface FA0/0, so we use outside. Then if already give the configuration in that what the name? I forgot interface. So now we give default router IP row 0 0. Okay. Now we give default router. If already like that, now we can try to ping this PC will be pilot. Then this PC also will be pilot, and this PC will be pilot. Okay. Okay. Maybe we can try to use IPNet inside. So we go to interface FA0/1. IPNet. Okay, wait. Okay. IPNet. Terus static. Okay, wait. Nah, we if already dead, try to use in. Okay. IPNet inside. Okay. Oh, I forgot. All device cannot ping, but the ghost is server can ping to. Okay, wait. The server can ping to this IP 10.10.10. Try to ping to all PC. Ini 192.168 and dot oh, this will be unreachable, and then try to do 3 will be unreachable also, but if go to same will be unreachable, But try to ten. Okay. When we test ping later on, ping 0.0.0.0 reply. Okay. We can see here if here is reply. So just this PC can connect to server. Okay guys, maybe that's all for me. I'm sorry from all my mistakes. As I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.